Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today, we have two stories. One about fewer foreign tourists in Goa, and one about an Ebola outbreak in Congo. Please join us to practice English every day with the latest episode. For transcripts and quizzes, visit LinguaWire.com. I am here with Sarah, our LinguaWire reporter, who talks about travel news. Sarah, why are fewer foreign tourists coming to Goa now?
Hello, Daniel. The number of foreign visitors to Goa has gone down a lot. In 2017, about 900,000 foreigners came, but in 2025, only about 500,000 came. That is almost half.
That is a big change. Are more people from India visiting Goa?
Yes, many more. In 2016, about 6.8 million Indian tourists visited Goa. Last year, more than 10 million came, so local visitors are growing a lot.
What reasons do people give for fewer foreign tourists?
One reason is money. A Russian tourist named Sophie said flights are very expensive now. Also, COVID and the war in Ukraine made travel harder.
Is the weather or the beaches different now?
No, the beaches are still nice. The sun is hot and many people enjoy the sea. But the crowd is mostly local people now, not Europeans or Russians like before.
Does the government say anything about this change?
Yes, Goa's tourism minister said they feel both hope and worry when they plan for the future. The world situation makes it hard to know what will happen next.
How do local tourists feel about Goa?
They seem happy. Goa is still a popular place for people from many parts of India. The local tourists fill the hotels and beach restaurants.
So, Goa is not losing visitors, but the type of visitor is changing.
Exactly. Foreign tourists are less, but local tourists are more. Goa is still busy and lively, just with different people.
Thank you, Sarah. This helps us understand how travel changes with the world. Now I am with Michael, our LinguaWire health reporter. Michael, what is the latest news about Ebola in Congo?
Hello, Daniel. The World Health Organization, or WHO, says Ebola in Congo is now a big health problem. This means many people are sick, and it is serious.
How many people are sick with Ebola now?
There are about 246 possible cases, and 80 people have died, but only 8 cases are confirmed by a lab.
Is this Ebola the same as before?
No, this is a different type called the Bundibugyo virus. There are no approved medicines or vaccines for this type yet.
What are the first signs of this illness?
At first, people have fever, muscle pain, tiredness, headache and sore throat. Later, they can have vomiting, diarrhea, rash and bleeding.
Where in Congo is this happening?
Mostly in Ituri province in the east. The virus is in towns like Bunia, Mongwalu and Rwampara. One case is in the capital, Kinshasa, from a person who came from Ituri.
Has the virus spread to other countries?
Yes, 2 cases are confirmed in Uganda. One man died there. He was from Congo and his body was sent back to Congo.
Why is this outbreak a big problem now?
Because many people move around, there are many small health clinics and there are some security problems. This makes it easier for the virus to spread.
What is WHO doing about this?
They said it is a public health emergency. This means they want countries to work together to stop the virus from spreading more.
Thank you, Michael. This is important news for health everywhere. Let's look at some useful words from our first story about Goa. The first word is tourist. A tourist is a person who visits a place for travel or holiday. In the story, many tourists visit Goa. Example: I am a tourist in this city today. The second word is local. Local means people who live in the place. In Goa, the crowd is mostly local people now. Example: local shops sell fresh food every day. The third word is flight. A flight is a trip by airplane. Sophie said, "Flights are expensive now." Example: I have a flight to London tomorrow. Now, a useful phrase from the episode is fall out of love. This means to stop liking something very much. In the story, foreign tourists are falling out of love with Goa. We use this phrase when someone changes their feelings. Example: I fell out of love with that TV show. Let's also look at the verb visit. Visit means to go to a place for a short time. In the story, many tourists visit Goa. We say, I visit, you visit, he or she visits. The S is for he or she. Example: I visit my friend every week. She visits the museum on Sunday. This verb is very useful when talking about travel and places. Try to use visit when you talk about going to new places. Follow LinguaWire for the latest daily episode and build your daily language habit with us.